Many tech professionals dream of working at companies like Amazon, Flipkart, or Google. These tech giants are not just companies. They are symbols of innovation and success. These companies are known for their groundbreaking innovation, significant impact on the industry, and attractive compensation packages. Transitioning from a service-based company to a product-based company can be challenging. It often involves adapting to a new corporate culture and different work expectations. It requires a shift in mindset and a focused approach to skill development. Employees need to continuously update their skills to stay relevant. Moving from a service company to a product company often means a change in the nature of work. The work environment and job roles can be quite different. At service companies, the focus is often on delivering projects to client specifications. Meeting client deadlines and requirements is paramount. Product companies, on the other hand, are driven by innovation and building new technologies. They prioritize creating products that can revolutionize the market. This difference in focus demands a different set of skills and a different approach to problem solving. Employees must be adept at thinking creatively and tackling complex issues head-on. A structured approach is critical for success in transitioning to a tech giant. It's not just about knowing how to code, it's about having a clear plan and sticking to it. Randomly solving problems on platforms like LeetCode might not be enough. You need to understand the underlying concepts and how to apply them in different scenarios. You need a comprehensive strategy that covers all aspects of the interview process, from technical skills to behavioral questions. A structured approach to preparation helps you stay organized and focused. It ensures that you cover all necessary topics and don't miss out on any critical areas. It allows you to track your progress, identify your weaknesses, and work on them systematically. This way, you can turn your weaknesses into strengths over time. Without a plan, it's easy to get lost in the vast amount of material you need to cover. A structured plan helps you navigate through the chaos and stay on track. Logicmojo is a platform specifically designed to help you prepare for interviews at top tech companies. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, Logicmojo has something to offer for everyone. It offers comprehensive courses on data structures and algorithms, or DSA, and system design, two crucial areas for cracking these interviews. These courses are meticulously crafted to cover all essential topics and provide in-depth knowledge. Unlike platforms that offer a scattered approach, Logicmojo provides a structured curriculum. This ensures that you follow a clear path to mastering the subjects. This curriculum is designed to build a strong foundation in DSA and system design. It includes interactive sessions, real-world examples, and hands-on projects. It caters to different learning styles and provides ample opportunities for practice and feedback. With Logicmojo, you can be confident in your preparation and ready to ace your tech interviews. Section 4. Navigating the interview maze. The interview process at companies like Amazon, Flipkart, and Google is rigorous and multifaceted. It typically involves multiple rounds, each focusing on a different aspect of your skills and experience. You can expect rounds dedicated to assessing your problem-solving abilities, coding proficiency, system design skills, and cultural fit. Each round requires specific preparation and a deep understanding of the company's values and work culture. Section 5. Logicmojo, empowering working professionals. Logicmojo understands the challenges faced by working professionals. Their courses are designed to be flexible and accommodate busy schedules. They offer live classes, recorded sessions, and personalized doubt-clearing sessions. This flexibility ensures that you can learn at your own pace and get the support you need without disrupting your work commitments. Section 6. Mastering your future. Mastering DSA and system design is not just about clearing interviews. These skills are fundamental to building a successful career in technology. They empower you to solve complex problems, design scalable systems, and make informed technical decisions. By investing in these skills, you are investing in your long-term career growth and opening doors to exciting opportunities.